Hey guys, today we're going to talk about camera tips. Is that Chris Mills? Did you say camera tips? Holy Hey guys, what's up? Chris Mills here. Today let's talk about some camera tips, stuff that I get asked about and stuff that I try to explain to people. So let's make a little video about it and let's have some fun. First tip, once you find your subject that you want to photograph, find some leading lines. Take 15 seconds or so, walk around your subject and study it. See if there's any leading lines leading up to it to help draw that viewer in. Could be potato rows, it could be a crack in the concrete, it could be a river running in through your photo to lead you to that gorgeous sunset or sunrise. Whatever you can find to help draw whoever is looking at your photo, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your dog. Okay, not your dog. Dogs don't care about photos. But whoever's looking at it, it helps lead them into the photo. Number two, the placement of the subject. Whatever that subject is, once you get it figured out, anything around it, the other elements that are in the photo, they are kind of the supporting cast, if you will. And they help tell a little bit of the story. So maybe find a different placement of your subject, either left of the frame, the right of the frame, maybe move the horizon up a little bit more, maybe move it down a little bit more in the frame to help make a more impactful photo. Even get right down on the subject and really draw their attention to where you're trying to show them to look in that photo. It helps, create a bigger impact and maybe tell a little bit more of a story, and makes it a lot more pleasing picture. Maybe just kind of look around, study your subject for a few minutes before you take a shot, and you'll find that with just a little bit of a time, you can make your photo a whole lot more impactful. Third tip, here we go, shutter speed. Whether you're shooting a wide angle lens or if you're shooting a big old telephoto lens chasing some wildlife around, to get your photos super sharp, make sure that your shutter speed is set to the focal length that you're using. If you've got a big zoom lens and you're shooting at the 600mm side of that, you want to make sure that your shutter speed is minimum 1/600th of a second. That will take care of any camera shake that you might have after running, chasing your kids, chasing a moose, chasing a deer, whatever. That will help take the shake out of your picture by shooting a shutter speed that is equal to the maximum focal length that you're shooting. So if you're on a DX camera, a crop sensor camera, you would have to times that by 1.5. So if you were shooting a 600mm lens, 1.5, you're going to shoot 1/900th of a second to get a sharp photo. And then your photos will be a lot more crisp, they'll be a lot more clear, and you'll be a lot happier with your photos. But that's what I got today. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit like on the button, smash it if you want to, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.